Bad email addresses don't just waste your outreach, they increase bounce rates and damage your sender reputation. That's where DataCaptive Email Verifier comes in. It quickly checks whether an email address is valid, risky, invalid, catch-all, unknown, or do not mail if domain comes under spam trap list, helping you keep a clean, high-quality email list. Let's see how it works. Starts by logging into your DataCaptive Email Verifier account. If you're new, simply create an account to get started. Once you're on the dashboard, click Email Verifier from the left side navigation menu. You have two ways to verify emails: quick email verification for individual addresses and bulk email verification for larger lists. Let's begin with quick email verification. Enter the email address you want to verify and click Verify. Within seconds, the verification is complete. The results display everything you need to know, including email status, valid, invalid, or catch-all. This helps you instantly determine whether an email is safe to use. Now let's verify emails in bulk. If you're preparing a new list, click Download Template to get the CSV format. Or simply upload your existing CSV file containing your email addresses. Once your file is ready, click Verify. The verification process begins immediately. On the right-hand side, you can track your verification history and monitor the progress of your uploads. Depending on the size of your list, verification usually completes within a few seconds to a few minutes. Once it's finished, download your verified file with each email clearly labeled as valid, invalid, or catch-all, along with the verification results. If you're building sign-up flows, CRMs, or outreach tools, let the DataCaptive Email Verifier do the work. To retrieve your verification results, you can use either of two APIs. The first API lets you fetch results from multiple request IDs in a single request, while the second allows you to check the status of a single request ID. Let's see how it works. Open the Email Verifier Results API endpoint and enter your API key. You can generate this key from the Email Verifier application by navigating to Integrations and clicking Generate API Key. Copy the key and add it to the request header. Next, provide the required request details in the body and click Send Request. The API returns a structured JSON response with the verification status and detailed analysis, making it easy to integrate email verification into your applications and workflows. With DataCaptive Email Verifier, you can clean your email lists, reduce bounce rates, and improve deliverability with 99.8% verification accuracy. Whether you're checking a single email or verifying thousands at once, Email Verifier helps ensure every campaign starts with reliable data. Start verifying your emails today and send with confidence.